Welcome. In this session, we'll explore how to add ordinal suffixes to numbers in JavaScript. This is useful when formatting dates, rankings, and other numerical outputs. Let's get started. Let's look at the problem. Ordinal suffixes usually follow simple patterns, but there are special cases, such as numbers in the teens always ending in th. This function determines the last digit and last two digits of a number to decide whether it should have st, nd, rd, or th. Here's how it works. The function follows a step-by-step approach, ensuring special cases like 11th and 12th are correctly formatted. This example table demonstrates how different numbers follow the ordinal suffix rules. Ordinary suffixes are widely used in date formatting, rankings, and UI elements to improve clarity and presentation. This method ensures numbers are properly formatted, improving user readability in various applications. Thank you for following along. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.